A metal, X, is used in thermite process. When X is burnt in air it gives an amphoteric oxide, Y. X and Y are respectively. Options: A. Fe and Fe2O3. B. Al and Al2O3. C. Fe and Fe3O4. D. Al and Al3O4. Explanation. Here, the metal used in the thermite process is aluminium, Al. When aluminium is burned in air, it produces aluminium oxide, Al2O3, which is an amphoteric oxide. So the correct option is B. Al and Al2O3. Here's why the other options are incorrect. A. Fe and Fe2O3, iron, Fe, is not used in the thermite process. The thermite reaction uses aluminium and iron oxide, Fe2O3. C. Fe and Fe3O4, as mentioned above, iron is not used in the thermite process. D. Al and Al3O4, aluminium oxide does not exist as Al3O4. The correct formula for aluminium oxide is Al2O3. This figure shows aluminium and oxygen with valence electrons. This figure shows aluminium and oxygen ions. The thermite reaction is a highly exothermic reaction that produces a lot of heat. It is used in welding, cutting, and demolition. The reaction is as follows. 2Al plus Fe2O3 Al2O3 plus 2 Fe plus heat. In the reaction, aluminium is oxidized to aluminium oxide, and iron oxide is reduced to iron. The heat released by the reaction is used to melt the iron, which can then be used to weld or cut metals.